Hello guys, welcome back. So guys, today we have a lot of animals guys. We have wild animals, we have sea animals, we have dinosaurs guys. We're gonna collect them one by one. So guys, before this video starts, please subscribe to my channel because it helps a lot guys. So guys, without any further ado, let's start the video now. Amazing dinosaurs guys. Let's collect them one by one. Let's see who is first guys. Oh wow, look at this guys, this is very cool and amazing. Spinosaurus guys, wow, this is the Spinosaurus dinosaur guys. Look at the very cool spine of this dinosaur. Very beautiful guys, this is very amazing. Spinosaurus dinosaur. Wow, beautiful dinosaurs guys. Very amazing, high quality, realistic Spinosaurus dinosaur. Guys, we're gonna collect all of them in this green tray guys, one by one. So let's collect them one by one. Let's see who is next guys. Oh wow, look at this guys. This is super amazing, our favorite dinosaur. This is T-Rex figure guys. Wow, this T-Rex is super cool guys. Look at the brownish color combination. Look at the sharp teeth. Very beautiful guys, very amazing and scary. This is amazing T-Rex figure guys. Wow, T-Rex is super scary and super huge guys. Very amazing dinosaur guys. Wow, so cool. He's little heavy guys. Very amazing. This is T-Rex dinosaur. Let's collect him guys. Let's see who is next guys. Oh wow, look at this guy. Stegosaurus guys. Wow, this is Stegosaurus dinosaur guys. Look at the very cool back design of this Stegosaurus. Dinosaur guys. Wow, this is Stegosaurus dinosaur guys. Beautiful dinosaur, very amazing, very huge dinosaur guys. Let's collect this beautiful Stegosaurus dinosaur guys, and let's see who is next guys. Oh wow, look at this guys. This is Raptosaurus guys. Wow, this is very amazing dinosaur guys. This is Raptosaurus dinosaur guys. Wow, look at the horns of this dinosaur. Beautiful. Very amazing design guys. Wow, beautiful dinosaur. This is Raptosaurus dinosaur guys. Very amazing. Let's collect this Raptosaurus dinosaur. Let's see who's next guys. Oh wow, look at this guys. This is Pelorosaurus dinosaur guys. Wow, this is Pelorosaurus dinosaur, looking super cool guys. Look at the very cool amazing design of this beautiful amazing design. Wow, very realistic guys. Wow, look at the very amazing design. Beautiful Pelorosaurus dinosaur guys. Very amazing. Let's collect him guys. Let's see who's next. Oh wow, look at this guys. This is very amazing Brontosaurus guys. Wow, this is very huge Brontosaurus guys. Brontosaurus are huge guys. They have very long neck and very huge body guys. Wow, this is Brontosaurus guys. Beautiful dinosaur guys. Very amazing, very realistic guys. Let's collect this green color, dark green and green color combination Brontosaurus dinosaur. And let's see who's next guys. Oh wow, look at this guys. This is Ankylosaurus dinosaur guys. Wow, this is Ankylosaurus dinosaur is super cool and realistic figure guys. Wow, this is Ankylosaurus dinosaur guys. Wow. Wow, look at the tail of this Ankylosaurus. Beautiful Ankylosaurus dinosaur guys. Wow, very amazing and very cool. This is Ankylosaurus dinosaur guys. Wow, let's collect this Ankylosaurus dinosaur. Now let's see who is next guys. Oh wow, look at this guys. This is Raptosaurus dinosaur guys. Wow, look at the horns of this Raptosaurus. Wow guys, this is a very amazing Raptosaurus dinosaur guys. Look at the yellow and orange color combination. Wow, very amazing dinosaur guys. This is Raptosaurus dinosaur guys. Let's select this Raptosaurus dinosaur. Let's see who is next guys. Oh wow, look at this guys. This is Spinosaurus guys. Again, this time different color guys. Wow, yellow and red and orange color combination. This is Spinosaurus dinosaur, guys. Wow, very beautiful, amazing, very realistic dinosaur, guys. This is Spinosaurus dinosaur, guys. Wow, he looks amazing dinosaur. Let's collect this dinosaur, guys. Spinosaurus dinosaur. Let's see what's next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guy. This is Stegosaurus dinosaur, guys. Look at the very cool back design, blue and purple pink color combination. This is Stegosaurus dinosaur, guys. Wow. Very blue and very cool color. Wow, this is Stegosaurus dinosaur, guys. Very huge neck, very huge tail, guys. Wow, very cool design on his back. This is Stegosaurus dinosaur. Let's collect the Stegosaurus dinosaur, guys. Now let's collect the very amazing sea animals, guys. Let's see what is this one. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is a very amazing hammer shark figure, guys. Wow, this hammer shark looking super cool, guys. Look at the very cool design of this hammer shark. Wow, look at the gray and white and orange color combination. This is hammer shark figure, guys. Very rare shark it is. Very amazing. This is hammer shark figure, guys. Let's collect this hammer shark. And let's see this next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is sea lion figure, guys. Wow, this sea lion looking super cool, guys. Look at the very cool face. This is seal, guys. Seal. Very amazing seal figure. Wow, very cool seal figure, guys. Let's collect the seal. Now where is next, guys? Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is so very cool lobster figure, guys. Wow, this is lobster figure is super cool, guys. Look at the very cool pink and white color combination, red and white color combination. This is very cool lobster figure, guys. Wow. Wow, super realistic, high quality lobster, guys. Look at the tail of this lobster. Super realistic, very high quality lobster figure, guys. Let's collect this lobster, guys. And let's see this next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guy. This is starfish figure, guys. Wow, this starfish is looking super cool, guys. Look at the yellow and orange color combination. Very cool starfish. Wow, very amazing design. Super cool and super realistic design. This is starfish figure, guys. Very amazing starfish. Let's collect the starfish figure. And let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is squid fish, guys. Wow, this is very cool squid fish figure. Wow, very cool design. Look at the very cool tentacles of this fish. This is squid fish figure, guys. Very cool and amazing pink squid fish figure. Let's collect this squid fish. And let's see who's next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is tiger shark figure, guys. Wow, this tiger shark looking super cool, guys. Look at the gray and white color combination tiger shark. Very sharp teeth of this tiger shark, guys. Combination sharp teeth of this tiger shark. Very beautiful, very amazing tiger shark figure. Let's collect this tiger shark, guys. And let's see who's next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is walrus figure, guys. Wow, walrus looking super cool. Look at the sharp teeth of this walrus, guys.
Flipper. Good. Good boy. Target. Good. Down. Very nice touch. Hey, you're fine.
Look at the gray and white color combination of this walrus figure. Very amazing, very super realistic, high quality walrus figure, guys. Let's collect this walrus figure, guys. And let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is very amazing, grayish, very cool crab figure, guys. Guys, wow, look at the very cool sharp teeth of this crab, guys. Very amazing crab figure. Wow, look at the gray and white color combination crab figure, guys. Wow, look at the very cool legs of this crab. Very beautiful crab figure, guys. Super realistic crab. Let's collect this crab figure. Now let's see this next. Oh guys, this is stingray fish, guys. Wow, this is stingray fish. Very cool tail of this stingray fish, guys. Look at the very beautiful design of the stingray fish. Yellow stingray, blue dots on his body, and wow, yellow color. Very beautiful stingray fish figure, guys. Wow, let's collect the stingray fish figure. Now let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is sea dragon, guys. Wow, this sea dragon looking super dragonish, guys. Amazing sea dragon, guys. Wow, very beautiful sea dragon fish, guys. Let's collect this beautiful sea dragon, guys. Now let's see what is inside. Oh wow, this is very cool grass of the sea, guys. Very amazing. Now let's see what, so guys, we collected dinosaurs, we collected sea animals. Now it's time for the wild animals, guys. Let's collect them one by one. Let's see who is next, who is first, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is gorilla figure, guys. Wow, gorilla has very amazing black color hair on his body. Look at the very amazing posture of this gorilla figure. Wow. Wow, super realistic, guys. Very amazing gorilla figure, guys. Let's collect this gorilla figure. And let's see this next, guys. Oh wow, this is tiger figure, guys. Wow, this tiger figure is super realistic, guys. Orange body, black stripes on his body, guys. Super realistic, high quality tiger figure, guys. Wow. Wow, very amazing tiger figure. Very cool tail of this tiger. Very amazing tiger figure, guys. Wow, very realistic, very high quality. Now let's collect this tiger figure. Now let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is hippopotamus, guys. Wow, this hippopotamus looking super cool, guys. Gray and orangish color. Very sharp teeth of this hippopotamus. Wow, it's looking super cool, guys. This is realistic hippopotamus figure, guys. Let's collect this hippopotamus. Now let's see his next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is rhino figure. Wow, full of black color rhino, guys. Very tall rhino. Look at the very cool two horns he has on his face. Beautiful rhinoceros, guys. Very amazing design, super realistic. Now let's collect this rhinoceros. Now let's see this next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is giraffe figure, guys. Wow, look at the long neck of this giraffe. Look at the beautiful yellow and black dots on his body. Beautiful giraffe, guys. The tallest animal. Jungle. This is the tallest animal in the jungle, guys. This is giraffe figure, guys. They have very long legs and long neck. Wow, beautiful giraffe, guys. Let's collect this giraffe figure. And let's see what's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, this is super realistic koala figure, guys. Wow, this koala looking super realistic, guys. Look at the very cool ears of this koala figure. Very amazing, realistic. Oh wow, this is koala figure, guys. Let's collect this koala figure. Now let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is bear figure, guys. Wow, this bear is looking super bearish, guys. Super amazing bear, guys. Look at the sharp teeth of this bear. This is brown bear, guys. Wow. Wow, beautiful brown bear. He's very strong, guys. Brown bear is a very strong animal, guys. Wow, beautiful animal. This is brown bear, guys. Very beautiful. Let's collect this brown bear. Now let's see what's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, this is lioness figure, guys. Wow, this lioness is super cool, guys. Look at the muscles of this lioness. Very beautiful lioness, guys. Yellow and light yellow combination. This is lioness figure, guys. Very beautiful lioness, guys. Very amazing. Let's collect this lioness figure. Now let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, this is leopard figure, guys. Wow, this leopard is super cool, guys. Look at the yellow color combination, yellow and black color combination. Yeah, black color dots on his body. Wow, guys, this leopard is looking super amazing, guys. Very huge leopard this is. Look at the yellow body, black dots on his body. This is leopard figure, guys. Wow, very beautiful leopard, guys. Let's collect this leopard figure. Now let's see who's next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is elephant figure, guys. Wow, elephant has very sharp teeth, guys. Very huge body, guys. This is elephant figure, guys. Wow, this elephant. Teeth, very long tongue. This is elephant figure, guys. Wow, this elephant looking super beautiful, very realistic, guys. Very heavy animal, guys. Very big animal. This is elephant figure, guys. Let's collect this elephant figure. Who is next? Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is very amazing. Very cool wildebeest figure, guys. Wow, wildebeest has very cool, amazing body, guys. Look at the hair on his neck. And on his back of neck. Wow, beautiful animal, guys. This is very cool wildebeest figure, guys. Wow, this wildebeest is looking super amazing, very realistic, high quality wildebeest, guys. Wow, very amazing wildebeest. Let's collect this wildebeest figure. Now let's see who's next. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is lion figure, guys. Wow, lion is looking super cool, guys. Look at the hair around his neck. Very huge lion, guys. Super amazing yellow and orangish color combination. Beautiful lion figure. Let's collect this beautiful huge lion, guys, the king of the jungle. Oh wow, guys, we collected all of the animals, guys. We collected wild animals, we collected sea animals, we collected dinosaurs, guys, and this is the bunch of trees from them, guys. This is dinosaurs period trees and this is sea trees. Very amazing. So guys, we collected all of them one by one, guys. So guys, hope you guys enjoy this video, guys. If you did enjoy, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and peace. I love you guys. Bye. See you guys in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye. I love you. Subscribe, guys.